We've all heard this saying about where the client's always right. Yeah, sure, that was probably invented by a client in the first place. I think it's one of the fastest ways to destroy your own business because this is what really happens. A client hires you because you're the expert, but then halfway through the project, they start telling you how to do your job. They're going to say things like, can we make the logo bigger? Or my cousin thinks the button should be blue. Now, you want to be polite, so you nod along and you make the changes, but deep down, you know it looks awful. The truth is that clients are not always right, but that doesn't mean that you have to be difficult and say no all the time. They just don't know what you know. And that is the reason for why they hired you in the first place. It's your job to guide them. So when they suggest something bad, don't just roll your eyes, just explain why it might not work and why you might want to do things in a better way. You could start to tell them that I get why you want it, but here's what happens if we do that. Clients are going to respect you so much more when you explain why you're doing what you're doing instead of just blindly obeying them. When you take the time to teach them and you stand your ground respectfully, that's when they realize that you're not just a designer. They're going to start respecting you as their advisor.